As you can see, the views are stunning. Nestled in the charming village of Zvezda, just 10 minutes away from the bustling town of Popovo, lies a beautiful old Bulgarian house waiting to be discovered. This picturesque village boasts tranquil surroundings, making it the perfect escape from the busy city life. The location is ideal, with Ruse, Veliko Tarnovo, and Shumen all within a 1-hour drive, and Varna airport just 1.5 hours away. As you approach the house, you will be greeted by its rustic charm and traditional architecture. The house itself is old and in need of some work, but it holds so much potential. With a big garden and stunning views, this property is a true gem. The garden also includes a well, providing a natural water source for the house and its surroundings. The house features a spacious basement and a quaint wooden balcony, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee while taking in the beautiful scenery. Inside, there are 2 rooms, each with its own unique character. Adjacent to the main house is an additional building with 2 rooms and access to the basement. This offers plenty of space for storage or can be transformed into additional living quarters. The garden is a generous 1,800 square meters, providing ample space for outdoor activities and relaxation. The property also includes outbuildings, which can be used for various purposes. Whether you are looking for a property to invest in or seeking a lovely home surrounded by nature in Bulgaria, this house is the perfect choice. Additionally, the house is within close proximity to a lake, providing endless opportunities for outdoor adventures. Don't miss the chance to make this charming Bulgarian house your own and experience the peaceful and idyllic lifestyle it offers. Need any more information, please use the URL given in the description or visit www.bg.house, where you will find many other properties that you may like. We look forward to helping you on your journey in any way we can.